fun with the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series that's coming to Malaysia. You get the new Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the powerful Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus use tough armor aluminum 2.0 for the chassis and have dynamic AMOLED-X displays protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For Malaysia, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will use the Samsung Exynos 2400 for Galaxy processor. Both phones will also feature the same triple rear camera array and have IP68 water resistance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra uses tough titanium for the chassis with new Gorilla Armor Glass protected. Its flat dynamic AMOLED-X 120Hz display. The phone will use the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor and has its signature S Pen.